we are going to do ethical hacking. Computer hacking is considered illegal in most countries, so before doing any hacking activity, I recommend you to get informed about the regulations of your country. Only hack your own systems or with the written consent of the application owner. The course only serves for educational purpose and I don't take responsibility for your actions. You are doing everything in this course on your own responsibility. Let's talk about the course overview. We will start the course with the course introduction part, that what we are going to learn in this course. Then we will learn about how you can set up a lab for network pen testing. We will also learn about how you can scan your entire network. Then I will provide you information about exploitation part and how you can bypass antivirus mechanism. We will learn about IoT pen testing, then some other network attacks. Then we will proceed to website pen testing lab, where we will learn about how you can scan your entire websites. We will perform various kind of website attacks like SQL injection attack, XSS and CSRF attack, and other web attacks. Then we will proceed to Android pen testing lab setup. We will learn about how you can analyze the log files and how you can find out some secret information. We will also perform reverse engineering inside Android. We will perform how you can break encryption inside Android machine. We will also perform SQL injection attack. And finally, we will end up with ethical hacking exam preparation. Now, the goals of the course. So the first goal is, you can see in the first point, the course is designed to provide fundamental skills needed to analyze the vulnerabilities. So in this course, you will learn that how you can find out the vulnerabilities available in networks, websites, and Android apps. We are going to learn in all three areas, and student will learn how you can find out various kind of vulnerabilities and how you can successfully exploit or penetrate systems. If I talk about the lab setup, then this is kind of lab setup we have. There is an attacker and there are some machines like some client machines, some server machines, and some mobile devices. We are going to penetrate all these devices one by one. Why you should take this course? Because in this course you will learn that how you can find out various vulnerabilities inside systems. You will also learn that how you can crack ethical hacking examination and how you can become an ethical hacker. So this is all about the course overview. Thank you so much and I'll see you inside the course.